If you missed our live session at the end of last week, I want to let you know that for the last few months, I've been building, quietly testing, and refining something that I really believe is going to change the way that you build your data engineering portfolio and sharpen your skills. I reviewed this extensively with beta testers and demoed it live on our session. What we're going to take a look at today is the official Gambill Data Coaching App. Over the last 25 years, I navigated massive shifts across the data industry. And one constant that I've seen is that theory only gets you so far. You need hands on, practical projects that actually stand out and solve real world problems. That's exactly what this app does. It's designed to automatically generate custom, high quality data engineering projects for you to build, test, and showcase. So, no more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to build, or going to Kaggle and doing the same thing that everybody else around you is doing. So, let's stop talking and take a look. So, let's test it out. I've not tested that specific use case, so let's see what happens. We'll use my resume. Again, we're just going to put 3 for everything for the self-assessment, and then we'll put staff, leave it at staff data engineer. Give me just a moment to go out here and grab just probably a random target job link. Biggest technical hurdle, let's say real-time data ingestion. Do I get end-to-end guidance? So the project does, to answer your question explicitly, the project does create end-to-end guidance on what to do, where the data links are. It might not find anything that would be streaming at 6,000 ticks per second that is public data. You might have to do like a Python script that will generate that frequency of data. So let's put real-time data ingestion at 6,000 ticks per second. We're going to load test this and we're going to see how this works. 1.5 kilobytes per file /tick. I'm going to copy and paste this directly into the industry, and we're going to see how it works. Again, takes about 30-60 seconds to run, so let's see what it spits out. I'm equally interested to see how it works for this specific use case. Okay, here we go. Industry market telemetry, throughput, and latency intelligence platform. So again, gives you a candidate summary, strengths, growth areas. Here's your recommended project. Build a Databricks-based streaming telemetry platform that ingests high-frequency public electricity market and grid events, simulates sustained 6,000 ticks per second producer load, processes the stream through bronze, silver, gold delta tables, and serves a Power BI dashboard proving business value through reduced alert latency, improved grid event visibility, and lower operational monitoring efforts. So again, gives you this fictitious business problem, why this project was selected, your portfolio story to add to your README doc. These are the skills that you're going to build. So high throughput and event ingestion, PySpark structured streaming, Python producer engineering for synthetic replay of public telemetry, so on and so forth. I won't read each one. Your tools in your stack, your deliverables, and then all of your implementation sets, right? Again, you're going to scope the business use case and throughput target. You're going to source the public data and build the replay data set, build high throughput Python producer, implement bronze streaming ingestion, build silver streaming ingestion. Again, the phases themselves are the same from project to project. The bullet points underneath will be different. And then always going to end with, this actually has 8 phases. So the last phase is always going to be your Power BI ROI dashboard or whatever your visualization is going to be. Gives you some interview talking points. So again, these are things specific to this project that you should think about while you're going through this project, and then gives you the links to your supplemental resources, so your data sets. So this is energy information administration. So this is open data. So this is the API data for this EIA open data. So this is public US energy information with electricity demand generation interchange, PJM data. So this is your structured streaming concepts. You have things like Spark Structured Streaming Programming Guide, the EIA API technical documentation. So it gives you links to all the resources that you may need, not just to pull the data, but your supplemental resources as well to learn what you need to learn to do the project. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what it might create for you based on that specific use case. Thank you for giving me a very specific use case to use that we were able to generate the project for. And again, I just want to show people that once you create the project, you could always come back to your previous projects here. And you see that there's the new project just popped in there. Again, you could download as PDF, download as Word, so that you have the information locally on your computer. So even if you were to cancel your subscription at the end of the month, then you still have availability and access to your project that you created. So if you are ready to build the portfolio that matches the target job that you are looking at, jump in right now.